Sir, they are claiming this as a completely remedy for the coronavirus or something like that.
Thank you, sir.
But do you, like, during this research, do you find any specific reactions, or whether the curcumin is more effective, or mushroom powder is more effective in regards to the coronavirus?
So we have not tested curcumin. There is no evidence so far as I know that curcumin has any antiviral load. Curcumin works differently. It probably modulates the system, and the system then takes care. While this mushroom powder has direct effect on the virus, which we have tested here. So in cell culture system, if you add this compound, then it stops the growth of the virus large extent, 70-80%. So which is very good thing. So that is very low concentration which is stopping. So that means it can give you your immune system in your body better fighting chance, because it's killing the virus by itself. Rest immune system will take care. So that is happening, and which is actually in a way confirming earlier speculations that this has antiviral activity, because it has a cortispin, a compound which mimics a nucleoside which can go and inhibit the RNA synthesis in the cellular systems. So probably that is how it is operating. And since this is a food item, so there's a good thing, because it's anyway food item, so it will not have toxicity. People are eating for decades, so there should not be any other issue. But it is not a remedy. Remedy, you have to test in patients and then see how much you require, how many mild patients, severe, all those things. So that has not been done. We have done in vitro tests. So we can only say this as antiviral activity. We are not saying that it is a immunity booster, because that is very different story. So maybe this mushroom has a effect on the immune system. Earlier work probably shows that way. But what we have found is it certainly has an anti-COVID activity.
I'm very curious to ask you about this. Like, for the past six to 7 months, WHO was telling, and even doctors are saying, the viral load, which is affecting more, and it's showing different kinds of symptoms are because of the viral load. See, if you take this coronide as an example, depending upon the viral load, the quantity might change, or as they are saying, it is a minimal quantity, and they have to take it for 12 days continuously, 3 times a day, something like that. They're saying, depending upon the viral load, is there any possibility that we have to take more, like more days or more quantity?
I think that has to go by other input which they may have collected. As I said, that we know that in, let's say, 200 micromolar concentration, it gives 70% inhibition, which is very good indicator. By even a drug will do like that. So that is a good indicator. But see, the viral load, although that makes sense that more viral load take more, but you should not take something more because it may have other side effects. Anything in excess will stress the body in different ways. So instead of controlling the virus in 2 days, maybe control in 4 days, there is no problem. So I don't think we should accelerate and too much dose beyond a point. Always go for safety. That is first. In a regular, normal, safe amount that is useful in eating, if you take in that much, I will say that is the safe way of doing that. And it will only help you. It is not a remedy that you can go and inject in someone and expect the person to start walking. If I have to guess, it should not be given to people who are sick or very sick, because then they are under medical attention and doctor has to decide what to do with them. We cannot go and interfere with them. This is something which is a nutritious and antiviral component, so it will probably be helpful for the person. So it should be taken as a support and not as a cure.
Yeah, as you said, but as per the data and WHO saying it, there are so many strains, more than 1,000 or 2,000 strains are available, and all over the world. And in India also, there are multiple strains or RNA strands are there. But when you experiment it, did you like have any data, like you have experimented on so and so strain, and how many strains you have experimented with this drug?
So no, this virus, this mushroom has been tested with only one virus that we are growing in the lab. But all over the world, there are not many strains. There is actually only one strain. Strain is certainly only one. There is only one major clade, even you can call substrain or something. So all over the world, 70-80% of the virus is only one kind, which is A2A that we call. Earlier in Hyderabad, in southern part, we were having something else which was more prominent, but that was little bit mild in terms of infectivity, and it disappeared. Now it's more or less gone. So all over the world, there's only one kind of viral, and we are constantly sequencing. What you are saying that thousands of those are sequencing isolates that have been sequenced, that we have sequenced with other our labs, close to something like 4,000 isolates. Other countries put together as more than 1 lakh that has been sequenced. So people are very closely monitoring how is mutating. So so far so good that there are not many variations, not many mutations. So therefore, something which is working in one pocket in one country will probably work in all the places.
Thank you, sir. And my last question, like, see, as you were heading CCMB and you might be researching on coronavirus, where we are in terms of fighting with coronavirus and where coronavirus is, like how many months or how many years it might take to find a solution for this.
So we are, it is very difficult to make a prediction when we will find a solution. Maybe these little things will help, and there is already evidence that how we were dealing with it in February, March, and how we are doing today is much more different, because now we know better how to take care of the patients, what are things that help, what are things that don't help, and many of those things.
But the news is spreading like there is already a second wave is happening in UK and somewhere else in the rest of the world. Is that right, or even India is also prone to get second wave?
No, it is happening in Europe, many European countries. Even many countries are contemplating second lockdown, third lockdown, and we will certainly have second wave and third wave. That is first. That is a very normal thing. We can prevent that if we all work as a disciplined, responsible citizen, and wear mask and practice social distancing, the social vaccine that we are talking about. If we don't do that, there will be second wave, third wave, certainly. Even first wave is yet to get over, in my view. It is still going on. So lots of effort is happening, but generally it takes 10 years to find a drug, 4 or 5 years to find a vaccine. We are in the first year. We will celebrate maybe first anniversary of this virus in 2 months. So what we have achieved as a scientific community is remarkable. So I think any concrete solid solution will come after a year or two from now. Lots of positive things are coming, but there are many things that need to be tested that much time. If you want to say a vaccine will be effective for 2-3 years, so you have to test for 2-3 years. No, how you fast forward time until without that? So that is why this thing will take time. And the virus will stay for that long. It will probably stay forever, but we are now getting used to it more and more, and eventually it will become like any other disease. Like there is malaria, there is like many other diseases. So this also will be there, like dengue or common cold, AIDS. Lots of things are there. We will know how to handle it, and we will win.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Please do subscribe Myra Media.
Please subscribe Myra Media.
Subscribe to Myra Media.
Please like, share and subscribe to Myra Media for lot of film news, gossips and hot news.
Please like, share and subscribe to Myra Media.
For more interesting updates, please subscribe to Myra Media YouTube channel. For more updates, please subscribe to Myra Media.
So like, share and subscribe to Myra Media.